Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Becca, and how are you doing? In today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to edit your picture with your mobile phone. Either with an Android or an iOS phone, you can edit your picture perfectly with just your mobile phone. So I use basically two apps to edit my pictures, and that is my Camera 360 and my Beauty Plus. So I'll be sharing with you guys on how I use those two apps to edit my pictures. Welcome back, guys. So this is my mobile phone, and the first app we are going to be using is Camera 360. So I'm going to click on Camera 360 now, and this is the display that is going to show. So after all this display, I'm going to click on edit, like the edit side. I'm sure you can see it. So after clicking on the edit, yes, I have series of pictures. It's going to take you straight to your gallery. So I have series of pictures. I just have to keep strolling and strolling to say the particular picture I want to use for to edit rather. So I'm still strolling and strolling, keep strolling. I don't know. So I have a lot of pictures actually. I do save a lot of pictures on my phone. So like, yes, we are there now. So this is the particular picture I want to edit. Yes. So I'm trying to let you see, like, you can see like it's not that perfect yet. Like, you can see my face, you can see the lips, you can see the skin. Yes, look at my eyes. So this is the picture I want to edit. The first thing I'm now going to click now is the One Touch Beauty. The One Touch Beauty will take me here, and I'll click on the shape building. The shape building helps to reduce the shape, the face shape. Like, it's going to make it more perfect, like a model shape. Then now the next thing will be the face beautifying. For this face beautifying, I'm trying to let you see how it works. Like when it is 100, you can see what it's doing. But one thing you should have in mind is don't over edit, please. Like, don't over edit. Like, just make it look so natural. So I'm going to stop around 30. I think 40 is fine. 41 is fine. Yes, I'm going to stop, and you can see the difference already. Then I think I'm good to go. Then we can just leave this. So since I'm done here, I'm going to click on that mark sign. Then it will take me back. So here, the next thing I'm going to do is I'll click on the refresh skin. What I'm going to do on the refresh skin is just to smoothen a little. Like a little. I don't do much. You can see like when it is at 100, it's looking somehow. No, I don't do this. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take it little by little, like, and as you're doing it, be checking, looking at the picture, like, okay, is it still looking natural? So I think that's fine. 21 is fine. Then I'll go back, and I'm checking out the picture, the previous and the edited one, and yes, I'm good to go. So I'm trying to let you see that there are a lot of tools you can use to edit your pictures with Camera 360, but that's not my thing. So basically, I'm done with Camera 360 here. Like, to me, I'm done. These are just what I used to do with Camera 360. Like, I'm done. Then I'm just going to save my picture straight. If you want to edit, you are good to go. But yeah, that's all. So now going back to the next app, which is the Beauty Plus. And yes, Beauty Plus, as the name implies, Beauty Plus. You want to add more beauty to the picture. So this is the display that it used to show. So I'll click on the photo/editor. Yes, that's one. So the last picture I saved, I will click on it like from camera 360. Then yes, here we go. So I'm trying to zoom, like you can see the skin before we start. Like, can you see my face? Can you see the makeup? Can you see the eyes? So the first thing I'll be doing on Beauty Plus is I'll be clicking on the edit button. Basically, I'm here to crop. Yes, I want to crop. So since it's a makeup and I want it to be like a portrait, kind of, I don't know. So I just don't want my clothes to show, like, that kind of vibe. So I'm trying to crop it. It's not important to crop, like, it's not, but most times I do crop my pictures. Like, I do crop a lot. So after cropping, and I'm still I can still see, like, can you see that black something? So I'm trying to, like, okay, uncle, you have to go away. So after that, you can see the picture more. I find no, but okay. So after that, that's all. Yeah, you can see what you can still do on your Beauty Plus, but I don't overdo things here. I don't overdo. So that's just it. So I don't do all those, like, filter, sticker, blah blah blah. Like, it's not my thing. I'll go next to retouching. The first thing here is smooth. I have to reduce it and to go back to manually. Yes, this is very, very important. Please, while smoothing, you have to go back to, like, zero before doing manual. If not, it's going to look so artificial. So, like, I'm doing it manually. Like, yes, I do my eyes, my eyeshadow, just small, like, don't overdo it. And know that the under eyes, yes, I'm trying to do this. Just nothing special though. Just, I won't make it so smooth. Yes, I won't make it so smooth. I believe it's a skin. Yeah, my lips, yes, I must just put a little just to make it, I don't know. Yeah, I like that. So please don't overdo this. Like, don't overdo. I'm trying to let you see the before and the after. You can see it's not so serious. It's nothing serious. Then I think, yeah, I'm done. So I'll just go back to the tone. Like, yes, that is the next thing. Tone. Yeah, let me just chip this in. You should know that it has different tone for different skin color. If you are fair, if you are dark, if you are caramel skin, depends. But I'm not so dark, like dark, but I'm dark, no sure. So I'm just going to, like, put sorry, I was actually editing in the dark, so I'm trying to increase the brightness so that I will see what I'm doing and I will not be overdoing anything here. So I'm trying to increase the degree, like the degree and the hue, so that it won't look so like, oh no, she's so fair. No. So I think, bam, I'm done. So just try and check the previous ones and your humor. See fine, babe. So the next thing I'll be doing is my dark circle. You can see that picture, like, I have dark circle, and I don't know why I have it, sharp, eh? Okay, maybe because I use glasses, maybe. So I'm trying to, like, okay, let's reduce this dark circle. So you click on the dark circle, then I'm trying to let you see, like, as you can see the picture, like, as I'm getting to 100, like, it's going. Yeah, but I think I have it a lot, so I think 100 is fine. Like, I think, okay, I put it at 92. Yeah, 92 is fine. Yeah, so I'm going to brighten the eyes, like the eyeball, those white parts. I like to make it more whitish so that it's going to pop the eye makeup. So I'm trying to, like, okay, 80 is fine. Then the next thing now, after the eye, after the dark circle, is my contour. Put a little and check the difference. You can see, you can see, like, the forehead is more pronounced, the contour, like everything to set. So just, I think I'm fine with this. Yes, I think I'm so fine with this. But I noticed like I did not smoothen some parts yet. Like, so I go back to the smooth, like the under eye. Yes, I have issue with this under eye. I don't know why, or if you have anything I can use to reduce it, please, you can let me know in the description below. So I'm trying to like, okay, make it more to reduce it. Like, I'm trying to reduce it so you can see it works perfectly or more. Say fine, babe. So that is just it. So you can see fine girl now, she. We are done. Like, we are done and done. This is just basically what I do. You save, then bye, you're good to go. So I want to show you the before and the after. Like, I want you to see the before and the after picture. So this is the picture I edited with camera 360, but that will be my before, and I'll be using the one with Beauty Plus as my after for now. So you can see the difference. Like, look at skin. Look at skin work. Who is your makeup artist? Like, can you see the difference? So please and please, I hope you really gain from this video. I hope you can. I really want you to try this, and just please let me know. I want you to try this. I'm trying to crop the previous one so that you will focus mainly on the picture, on the face rather. So yeah, so I'm cropping with my phone. Yeah, so as in more fine. So like, let's zoom. Yeah, so yeah, look at the face. Like, look at it and compare to this. The after is not looking so artificial. It's not looking like a baby, you can see. But so please guys, I really want you to engage this video, subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Please subscribe, Joe. Subscribe, please. Thank you so much for your time. I love you guys. Bye.